Brad Williams, XL primed. In this tutorial, we're using the COUNTIF with the wildcards, and let me show you what we're going to do. What we have here is a structural lookup. I say structural lookup only because we're using wildcards. We know what COUNTIF's all about, and we know that we have a range and then we have criteria. The structure is the wildcards. We're using a series of question marks. That means it's structural. That means you have to follow this criteria or it's an invalid response. Take a look here. We're using skews. We're using it looks like a 2-4-4 combination. And if we have a 2-4-4 combination in any series of characters, numbers, what have you, if it's a 2-4-4 criteria, then it's good. Otherwise, everything else is invalid. Let's look. We have the first, it's like a 3-3-4, it's like a phone number combination, invalid. The second has a 2-4-4 combination, that's valid or good. That's it. Same COUNTIF and if format. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thank you.